Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card. So if you've received a Roblox gift card and you're trying to add that to your Roblox account, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to do that. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up your browser and navigate to roblox.com. If you're on your phone, when you load roblox.com, if you see a screen like this, select Continue in Browser at the bottom, and then log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, open the Roblox menu by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top left, and then go into the bottom and selecting Gift Cards. From here, just select Redeem in the top right. Then all we need to do is enter the Roblox code for our gift card, and then select Redeem. Once you've entered the code and selected Redeem, the Robux will be added to your account. All right, so that's how you redeem Roblox gift cards. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.